Today we're going to talk about flap discs. This is our Cera Turbo. This is the absolute most versatile flap disc we can offer. It has a ceramic grain and therefore we have a 50% faster material removal and twice the lifetime of a normal grinding disc. We also have an aluminium flap disc. It has a special coating on it and that prevents the aluminium from sticking to our flaps, and so finally you can finish your applications on the aluminium. The last one I wanted to show you is the Cera Turbo XL. It has the same features as our Cera Turbo flap disc, but we have more space on our flaps so we can finally reach into the tiny spaces. So let's see how the Cera Turbo XL is working with our flathead angle grinder.